Hello friends, welcome to PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, we will study about the MySQL in our SAMP server. First of all, what is MySQL? MySQL is the most popular open source database system. The data in MySQL is stored in database objects called tables. A table is a collection of related data entries and it consists of columns and rows. Databases are useful when storing information categorically. Let's see how to create database and insert values into tables using GUI of SAMP. First, open your localhost, write localhost into your URL. It will open your SAMP. Then click on this phpMyAdmin. Now this is the list of my database. Now if I want to create new database, just click on database, write any name, test1, because I have already available here test, create. Database test1 has been created. Let's open this test1. Now create table here, user underscore info, and let's add 3 columns and go. Okay, so our user info table is created. Now write your name of column, user ID, user underscore ID, then user underscore name and password. Okay, user ID should be integer, username should be varchar, and password should be varchar also. Length, you can give any length, 10. Varchar I am giving 100 and password also 100. And if you want auto increment in ID, just click here. If you want to make this user ID as your primary key, then click, and at last save. Okay, so our user info table is created. Now let's see how to insert data into this table using GUI. We can directly insert. We have here clicked auto increment, so we don't need to write anything in user ID. Just write username here, PHP, and password anything, ABC, ASP, ABCD, go. So this is our query for inserting data into table, and our data is successfully inserted. Okay, insert into test1. Test1 is the name of database, user info is name of our table, then these 3 column names and then values. Here null, but we have provided auto increment, so this is our table. User ID automatically it's 1, then name of user and then password. Okay, this is simple. Queries. A query is a question or a request. With MySQL, we can query a database for a specific information and have a record set returned. Let's see how to apply this query. Go to SQL. Here one query is already given. Select star from user info, which is table name, where 1. I can also write where user underscore name is equal to PHP, and then go. So here this is the output. They are showing all the information of PHP. But if I want only the name of user by user ID is equal to 1, I can write here select only column name username from table name where user ID is equal to 1 and then press on go. Okay, so here they are showing only username, date, then table name, user info, update table name user info, then set username is equal to JSP where user ID is 2. Go. Okay, so one row affected. Let's see our table. Select star from user info, which is our table name. Go. Okay, so here username is changed. Okay, and I can delete any record, edit any record from direct here because this is GUI of MySQL.